Good morning, children. I hope so you all are well and good at home. Class prep, subject science, topic healthy habits. Healthy habits. In healthy habits, we eat fresh fruit, piece of bread, meat, vegetables, and drink milk. Children, open your books, page 8. We will read from page 8. Healthy habits. What must we eat to stay healthy? We must eat healthy and fresh food to stay healthy. Healthy food gives us energy. We need to do exercise every day. It keeps us active and healthy. Important points. We must eat healthy and fresh food. Vegetables are fresh and healthy for yourself. We must eat fruit also. Fruit give us energy and make us strong. Second point, healthy food gives us energy. Third point, we do exercise every day. It keeps us active and healthy. Fifth point, we need to keep our body clean. We must brush our teeth twice a day. Words meanings: healthy means staying fit. Habits, nature. Energy, physical strength. Twice, 2 times. Early, before usual time. Activity number 1. Put tick for right and cross for wrong. Healthy food keeps us active. Children, this is right or wrong? Right. Second, we do not keep our body clean. This is right or wrong? Wrong. Third, we must brush our teeth twice a day. This is right or wrong? Right. Second activity, fill in the blanks with the help of given word bank. Early, energy, outdoor, health, healthy, twice. Brush your teeth dash a day. Which word will come here? Brush your teeth twice a day. Healthy food gives us what will come? Energy. Third, exercise keeps our body healthy. It is healthy to play, but we come outdoor. It is healthy to play outdoor games. Fifth one, going to sleep dash at night keeps us healthy. Which word will come here? Early. Going to sleep early at night keeps us healthy. Thank you, children. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.